How to fix smart lock not working in phone 4a. First of all, restart your device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, clear Google service cache. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Search Google service. Now click on Google service. Scroll down, click on storage and cache, and now click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, Google service will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update, open setting, scroll down, click on system updates, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings, open settings, scroll down, click on system, click on reset option, click on reset by setting and again click on reset by setting. All setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix smart lock not working in phone 4a. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.